Alright, here it is. It took me at least 7 hours to set this whole thing up. Uh, that's the monitor. That's Jojo. Got all the stuff there. Got some fans. It's a big mess. Alright, I just finished setting up everything. Monitor, big boy. This PC, everything's connected. Is that on? That's on. Alright, fingers crossed. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's working. It's working. The fans, they're spinning around. The RGBs, they're spinning around. Okay, come on. Come on, post, baby. Post. Oh boy. Come on. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah. Okay. Yes, finally. I did it. I had to do some stuff. I did it. Alright. Fucking Windows 10. Yeah. It's almost done. It's almost done. Look at it go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Okay. Alright. Come on. Reboot. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Yeah, whatever. Beep you. Okay. That's gonna be the name. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Except. Hello. Ew. Computer waifu-chan. Oh, now you're making me wait. Okay. I'll wait. I'll wait a few minutes. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna get blind just looking at this. Whew, that's bright. That's really bright. It looks very pretty though. It's a very pretty monitor.